In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a don't have option to a Typeform multiple choice question. By the end, you'll have a clean, user-friendly way for respondents to indicate that none of the listed choices apply to them, which helps you avoid incomplete answers and improves the accuracy of your data. Start on your PC for the best editing experience. Open your preferred browser so you have a full view of the Typeform builder and all of its editing panels. Then head to typeform.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual credentials and any verification your account requires. Once you're in, navigate to the form you want to modify and open it in the editor. You'll see your existing questions on the canvas, along with editing tools along the side. Inside the editor, look for the button labeled Plus Add Content. This is your gateway to adding new questions and elements. Click it to bring up the list of available question types. From that list, choose multiple choice. This question type is perfect when you want respondents to pick from a defined set of options, and it keeps your data consistent and easy to analyze. Next, add your normal options. These are the typical answers you expect most people to choose. Keep them short, distinct, and easy to scan so respondents can quickly find what fits. Clear phrasing here prevents confusion and reduces the chance someone selects the wrong option. Now add one more option specifically for people who don't fit any of the choices. Name it don't have or none of the above. The exact wording is up to you, but make sure it's unmistakably clear that it's meant for respondents who don't see a suitable match. Many forms place this option at the end of the list, so it's easy to find without distracting from the main choices. Using simple, consistent capitalization and avoiding extra punctuation helps keep the list tidy and professional. When you're done entering the options, click Save. Saving locks in your changes so they're ready the next time someone opens your form. If you ever need to edit the wording later, you can come back to the same question and update it without affecting previous responses. That's it. Now, when respondents reach this question, they'll see your standard answers plus the don't have or none of the above option. This small addition gives people a respectful, accurate way to respond, reduces guesswork, and keeps your results cleaner. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the improved clarity in your Typeform responses.